afternoon to you. We started combining winter barley here now, 2024. It's the 14th of July. It's maybe the earliest I've started cutting winter corn. It's a nice day today, Sunday, but tomorrow, Monday, they forecast rain coming in again. So I thought I'd make a note, open the field up. It's going to be a little bit better when we get back to combine it next time. Got the baler going as well, baling the straw up behind. Seems to be running fairly well. Can't spake 17 acres in, I can't quite get round the field and the tank's full. But I think to get to the end here I'm going to have to unload. Got to the end and now we're unloading what's in the tank. Plenty of dust flying. Actually, a little bit more in there. There we are. I think that's enough in that one. Go on and do some more. Thank you for watching. This is the last run on this field. So there's one down, one to go. Hopefully bale up the straw tomorrow. Bailed up some there the other day, the headland. Certainly a very hot day today. Thank you for watching.